We got this beautiful Redeye black, so we're about to get it nice and clean right now. Today we're going to show you how to ceramic coat a 2019 Dodge Hellcat Redeye. I like to hit the wheels first, get all that dirt off, all that grime. I'm going to show you guys how we wash this Redeye. Now it's time to rinse the car. This Redeye comes equipped with 797 horsepower compared to the regular Hellcat's 717 horsepower. I got the wheels, I got it wet, now let's get some soap on it. The trusted foam gun that we always use is the Bros Automotive Detailing Foam Cannon, sold by 3D of Los Angeles. What you think about this Redeye, guys? Look at it's all foamed up. What you guys think about it? Check it out. We're finishing it up. We're about to hand it inside to my man Bros. He's gonna take care of it. Alright guys, we bought it inside guys. We're bringing a final touch on it. We're bringing it nice and shiny. As you can see, look how shiny it looks already. We're gonna tape it up guys. We're gonna protect it, get it nice and wrapped, get it ready to go guys. We're taping up the molding simply to protect it.
I just gotta say thank you, Taco Dre, for washing it, cleaning the car, getting it ready. Right now, what we're about to do is a Uno. It's an all-in-one paint correction, guys. He wants ceramic coating. We're gonna show him what we could do out here with the ceramic coating. We got the polisher straight from 3D Los Angeles. We got the foam pad. That's a cutting and polishing pad. We got the Uno. Bam, it's a little twist off. It's easy to use. 4 easy drops. That should do the whole hood. Give it a little, wear gloves, wipe it down, or just leave it like that. Give it a little on a 1 speed. let's get ready to roll. Don't forget, when you're doing up and down, always go over the pad you're leaving on the car. It's basically the size of the pad that you're going this way. When you come back, go over a little bit of what you just went over. And when you come back, so you won't miss a spot.
You always want to remember to take your time, stay focused, and move side to side. This is the reason we tape the trim to protect it when we're getting close to it. Make sure to hit everything, including the high traffic areas.
Number one, I cut it. Number two, I polished it. And I didn't even take off the product. It's the same product, one on top of the other one. Same product, two different pads. Let's do this.
With this being a brand new car, we're not going to color sand it because you want to keep as much clear coat as possible. Now if you look close, the shine is really starting to come through on this paint the more and more we take off.
You guys ready for this coating, baby? Ceramic coating. All day, every day. Ceramic coating, H9, 3D, one of the best. 3D's been killing the game for like 20 something years. We show it every year at SEMA. There's a board where you can look up whose ass 3D's kicked. So this year, they're gonna keep kicking ass with the ceramic coating. You got the sponge. You see these two little microfiber rags? Bam. They're basically the little sponges, soft, so when you put the product on, easy to slide, put on the product. So easy, 30 seconds. You apply it on half of the hood if you want, 30 seconds. Come back, take it off. Up and down. Just pay attention where you're going. That's all it is. If you can't pay attention, oh my God, this is not for you. Just pay somebody to do it for you. There is always professionals standing by, like Bros Automotive, that'll take care of you. But just remember, 30 seconds. If you leave it on there for a little bit longer, you're gonna have to start color sanding all this. So. It looks a little weird. Do this because the product is literally bonding with the clear, but you always gotta remember 30 seconds and then start wiping it off. Look at that, it's easy peasy. So don't forget, 3D ceramic coating. People asking, what is ceramic coating? It's a liquid polymer that bonds with your paint / clear coat. That's basically what it is, you know, it's paint and clear coat. And it actually gives you value to your vehicle, which is insane because I never heard that. So you're basically putting a condom on your car and it's well protected. That's all it is, baby. It makes it shiny.
Meanwhile, Nelson from 3D Los Angeles apparently has more time on his hands than others.
You want some real dope shit, not that funk ass shit that other detailers do, check out my YouTube video. You guys should know that, hey, right here is the place to be at. You know, you're looking for high quality stuff, right here. Man, check us out. That's how you do with your hands, fool.
You saw the coating, you saw the buffing, you saw the hard work, you saw the sweat, the tears, you guys saw everything. I appreciate you for checking out our channel. Now don't forget, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff that you could help us out on. Because remember, we're doing this out of our heart. We ain't asking for no sponsors, we ain't asking for nothing. We're gonna show you how the real hustle is, how we make our money, and how we have fun in it too. Got you guys, thank you. Be ready for the next one. Fresh, looking like a mirror, bro. Good. Big bros just took care of it. Look how it's looking now.